Ever wondered how to break into the world of remote work with no prior experience? You're not alone. In today's digital landscape, remote jobs are more accessible than ever. But landing one can feel like scaling Mount Everest. Fear not. We're here to unveil the secret to secure remote jobs, even if you're a newcomer to the scene. We put in over 20 plus hours of research and effort to bring you this comprehensive guide on how to find remote jobs with no experience. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how navigating the remote job market. Now let's get started. Step 1, identify your experience. So can you really land on a remote job with no experience? Absolutely. Let's start by addressing the daunting job ads packed with must-have skills. It's crucial to understand that while these skills are desirable, they're often not all mandatory. Highlight the skills you do have and focus on how they align with the job requirements. Remember, it's about showcasing what you bring to the table rather than fixating on what you lack. Step 2, make connections with your current experience. Now let's bridge the gap between your experience and what employers are seeking. Instead of listing generic job duties, highlight your concrete achievements, showcasing tangible results, demonstrating your value and potential contributions to the company. By aligning your accomplishment with the job requirements, you'll stand out from the competition. Step 3, familiarize yourself with remote tools. In the remote work landscape, familiarity with communication and project management tools is key. Whether it's Slack, Zoom, Trello, or Asana, getting acquainted with these tools demonstrate your readiness to adapt to the remote environment. Even if you lack direct experience with specific tools, showcasing your willingness to learn sets you apart as a proactive candidate. Step number 4, develop additional skills. Identify any recurring skills sought by employers that you currently lack. While you may not become an expert overnight, taking proactive steps to acquire these skills demonstrate your commitment to personal and professional growth. Whether through online courses, workshops, or practical experience, investing in skill development enhances your candidacy for remote roles. Step number 5, present your best self. Finally, it's time to package your candidacy effectively. Conduct keyword research to optimize your resume and cover letter for applicant tracking system. Tailor your application material to highlight your relevant experience and how it aligned with the job requirement. Consider creating a digital portfolio or a personal website to showcase your skill and accomplishments, further enhancing your candidacy. By following these 5 steps, you're significantly increasing your chances of landing that exclusive remote job, even without prior experience. Remember, authenticity is key. Focus on highlighting your strengths and commitment for growth. With determination and the right strategy, you will soon find yourself thriving in the world of remote work. If you are eager to explore more about remote job opportunities and certification to boost your careers in 2024, be sure to check out my video. 10 must-have certification to boost your salary for 2024, located in the upper right corner. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your remote job journey.